Hello everyone, welcome to a tutorial for making stuff. So I've already had this loaded. Now you go into the editor, don't know where that is, and probably watch my other video. So you see this big editor place. First this is how you make a very good level. So first you want to make this sort of thing with these outlines in the outlines tab. So you go to these outlines, and you start here. You want to press this arrow, and then look at this one and this one. And then if you can make something like this, it's kind of like a smiley face. Then you can place this down, which you can go to edit and press this button. Then you can place this down in this block, press that, and then press this. Now you have a smiley face. And now you can add eyes for it. And now you can color them. There's going to be color for all of them, by the way. So make it a good color. Maybe this looks pretty cool. By the way, if you press the settings, you can change your background. I'm going to make my background like a pink. Make the ground like a black. And then make the line like a black. And then you can go to your background and you can change it, like what it looks like. I kind of want like this background. No, this background looks cool. Yeah. So then you can like make your colors. All cool stuff. So you won't have all of these custom objects. But what you can do is you can go to this blocks tab, the first tab, and then you can press 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 times this right arrow. I mean the left arrow. Then you can create stuff like this. Like this. This is a good color. Boom. So now you have this cool smiley face guy. Now whenever you touch him, you die. And if you want him to have no hitbox, just for decoration, you can create the same thing with no outlines. Because outlines kill you whenever you touch them on the side, but whenever you go on top of them, they don't kill you. See, so that one doesn't collide. And then you can press the orb tab. And then you can scroll until you see the text. And then you can make a text first if you go to settings. And then you press font. You can do that. And then you can make your font like welcome. And then you can make your object, your number 2 could be like pink. And your number 1 is already gray. So you want this to be number 2. So now you have this. Very cool level. So now you can create a spike. So if you do this, you see you already have colors for it. But you can't change those colors by going edit, swipe. And then you see that you have this like green box. You can select that. And then you press, like, let's say you want it to be fully pink. You can do fully pink. Or if you want like the inside to be like a gray, you make the inside gray. Or if you want it to be like opposite, you want the outside to be gray and you want the inside to be pink, you can do that. Or what you can do is you can create a new color and make it like red. Yeah, I like the red. So you can make it like red and black. Then you'll get something like this. Or you can make the inside pink. And then you can make the outside like a red. right? I mean a black. No, wait. Okay, so you want the outside to be black, maybe like that. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Or like, if you don't like any of those colors, you can make it like a this. Nope, wrong thing. So now you have your first 5 colors that you can be using to decorate your level. So now you have this. Pretty cool. Pretty swag. And then you can make a monster with this. So you can just add like this. And then like copy and paste it. And select it. Then move it over a bit. Or if you copy and paste this and then move it to the side where you put your mouse here. Or you just point there. And then you look at it, it's right in the middle. Or if you just press this a couple times and it makes this shape, you can do it. Actually, I'm gonna move this up one. I'll move it to the side one. And then I'm gonna move this to the side by 1. So yeah, now you have this. You can create something like this with outlines. You will see why we use outlines. You want these big outlines, by the way, not the tiny ones. Oh, my bad. I did it wrong. Boom. Now you have this weird monster. So if you go to the orbs tab, orb, and then you look at all the orbs, you can choose what your orb, you can choose what the monster's eyes are going to be. I want them to be black, so I'm going to choose black orbs. Then if you just go over until you look at until you go till here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Well, you can really just press wherever you want until you find these. I mean, you can do whatever like color block you want. I mean, like you can do these, but it really doesn't matter. I'm just doing it the way that I like it, so you can do like this. Yeah, I would say that's pretty cool. Then I can make this side like purple. Actually, you know what I can do? I can make all of these outlines just black. Just black, you know. Yeah, that looks good. So now you have your monster. Then what you can do is, you can zoom out by pressing this. Then you press. Then you select all of this, and go to your custom objects. Here, you will just start off like this. You won't have this stuff. You can press add. So then if you go, you will just have to turn 1. You'll see you have the smiley face, which you can place. And you can move it like this. Like that. Pretty cool. By the way, you do have a reach where you can't see and where you cannot see. We'll use triggers maybe like tomorrow. So, you can do that. And so far you like your level. I'm just going to delete these. I'm just showing what custom objects can do. So now you want to place like some blocks that you can climb. So what you can do is you can do this. Pretty swag. Pretty swag among us, Ohio. Sorry. I'm sorry. Anyways, so you can do this. Like that. Wait, no. Wait, 1 second. You can do, you'll just have to move this up by 1. You could do that. Like this. So now you have this. Wait. It's like kind of hard. Yeah, this is pretty hard. I'm gonna move this over by one. Then you can add like the bushes down here. A lot of bushes. Pretty cool bushes. Swag bushes. Whatever you want to call them bushes. Then you can like copy and paste them and then like do them all over again. It's like this. Man, this is looking pretty cool so far. Phew. One second, I need to stand up so I can see where I'm putting this. Yeah, I fixed it. I don't know why it's off-centered. That was kind of weird why it was off-centered. So now you can do this, like that, like this. Oh, it's off-centered again. Let me fix it. One. Now it's better. So now what you can do is you can do this, this. Add these things down here, like maybe some water. Yeah. Maybe like some of these. Okay. Then you can add some of these. So now you have this. When you made a mistake, you can do this, like this. Boom. So now you have this. Pretty cool. Then you can add these like in the background. I mean, like you could add all of this to like one. I want this to be like in one. Then you want to get an alpha trigger and the weird color things. Actually, you're about done for today. Don't get the alpha trigger. You made all of this very cool. Okay, thank you for watching. Goodbye. I'll make a part 2 later though.